Hello, I am Julia Bushkova, and today's topic is finger replacements. Finger replacements is a virtuosic technique that we all must possess. And helping me today is Lucas Furtado, and who has never done this, he tells me, never done exercises. Of course, he has played it in some pieces, but in order to have it better, we also should do some exercises on this topic. Okay, so what is finger replacement? Finger replacement is truly playing one note with one finger and then playing the same note with different finger and neighboring fingers at this point. Neighboring fingers are easier to replace than, for instance, far away fingers, but sometimes we have to do that too. So we will start with the easier part, which is replacing a second. So, or rather replacing in unison, but you're playing second finger first and then first finger exactly in the same place. So I will take a note of F on the D string. So idea here is that the note is really sounding, the pitch is sounding the same and not wavering and not being different in pitch. So it really truly sounds as one note. Next. Let's try to do it here, Lucas. Okay, very nice, very nice. You see that, yeah, you just need to be a little bit, first of all, you need to want to be a little bit more relaxed in the hand. So yes, it is at first kind of challenging, and therefore we want to do it a little bit faster maybe, and the overall hand is a little tight. So instead of this, feel everything pretty loose and really, literally feel that you are doing, exchanging tips of the fingers like this in one place, you see? Yeah, so that sort of movement. Yeah, even more looser. Okay, so what it will help you is you know that you're going to be exchanging upward. Make sure that your thumb is not back at all. So you are not shifting. So basically, if we were not thinking replacement, we would think, oh, it's a shift from first position to second. But we're not thinking like that. So you kind of want to be in one position. Now, which position it could be? I would say in between first and second is the best way to think about this. So I'm not thinking that I'm in first and then in second, because then thumb will move. So in order for thumb, however, be helpful to us, it's always better to be a little more forward rather than a little more backward, you know? It just works better. So here, move thumb a little bit forward. And very loose hand in here. Correct. Yeah, now try not to slide with the first finger up. Just, you're kind of doing it in the air, like you're walking that finger. Yeah. And relaxing here. Yeah, you see, I'm seeing you sliding a bit, like this on the string. You want to avoid it, basically. Okay, let's do this kind of exercise. Okay, so here we're having F, right? And then instead of moving, I would just try to do this with the first finger, like cover it from above. Yeah, just like that, okay? So exercise the gymnastics of the first finger going over the second, exactly. So you see, you can basically do it. Okay, then sorry. Yeah, forward thumb. Yeah, and try not to not to move on the string. Just, you know, that over. Yeah. Yes. Very nice. And you see, those are easier, right? Yeah. Why are those easier? For the simple reason that these two fingers are the longest fingers always. For most people, those are longest fingers. They are more even, and so it's easier to substitute them. Okay, the next one. Okay, good. You will practice that, obviously. Okay, so that's pretty much in a nutshell, that's the technique. What we can do with that, what kind of exercise we can do, those were upward moving and downward on the same note. And then on the way back. So little scales up and down like this. And then we can go probably not in this video, but in general, it's a good idea to also use replacement from further away fingers, like from 3 to 1. I hope this lesson has been helpful to you, and if you like content on this channel, please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing with your friends and colleagues, and generally improving our algorithm on YouTube.